Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fort McMurray, local and long-distance movers near me. At the time of employing a moving company, you want to strike a balance between price and quality. 3 Movers in Fort McMurray, Canada offer commercial and residential moving affordable and high-quality local and long-distance moving services. Let's walk you through the process involved in the different types of moves. When moving long distance, there are a lot of things that you need to consider. The first of them is the total weight and number of items to transport. Both are elements that add up to the cost. You can ask our team of movers for tips on how to downsize, and they would be happy to help you. If you have any articles that you aren't ready to take to your new place, we have storage options for you to use. Moving locally normally comes down to the cost of labor. Labor is charged at an hourly rate based on the time to load your belongings into the truck and the time to unload them at your new place. This means that any time you can save by packing up and having everything ready beforehand will save you money. However, you don't need to do it if you do not want to or don't have the time. Our movers can also take care of that for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fort McMurray moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.